Got it on the green?
Yep. Now for the boys. Hello, baby boys.
Get a big drink, huh? This is royal blue. This is lime green. Ha, got you.
Maybe.
I got you, cutie pie.
Lime green. Hello, little boy. Hello.
He's a cutie pie. Yes, you are. This is Flame. He's a kisser. He's a wavy.
Hello, Flame.
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 There we
Little
go.
boy.
There we go. Got a real nice little coat. You do too. You guys are curly. You're the best ones for people with allergy. And this is light blue. Light blue is a wavy, lightest colored boy. He has a real pretty little coat.
Hang on.
Turn off.
It just went to red. I've got it back to green now. Let's see. Hello, pretty light blue. Handsome boy.
You're good looking.
Sweetie boy.
Yeah. And you are a sweetie too. You watching, brother? There we go. Watching my brother. Yeah. Just some ways up in the air. How about you guys? Huh? How about you guys? Huh? Yeah. Good boy. Hey. Hey there. Need your toenails trimmed too. I know it.
Puppy dudes, puppy dudes. Hi, puppies. Puppers. Oh, just went to red again.
Oh, that's good.